Have you ever wondered what it feels like to drive a race car flat out through one of the Pacific Northwest's legendary circuits? Today, we're diving into a high-speed tour of Seattle International Raceway, now known as Pacific Raceways. This isn't just a lap, it's a journey through history, adrenaline, and precision. You're about to experience a hot lap that blends speed, skill, and pure excitement. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a track day dreamer, or just curious, this one's for you. We'll explore the layout, the tricky corners, and what drivers face at full throttle. So buckle up, because this video takes you right into the driver's seat. Make sure to stick around, because we're breaking down each part of the track. We'll also share some facts, cool stories, and what makes this place so iconic. If you enjoy motorsport and behind-the-wheel insights, hit that like button. Now, let's fire up the engine and get rolling down pit lane. Seattle International Raceway, opened in the 1960s, has hosted everything from drag racing to pro sports car battles. Located just outside Kent, Washington, the track is carved into a forested hillside. This natural setting gives it a unique feel, fast, flowing, and surrounded by trees. The full road course is 2.25 miles long, with a mix of technical and high-speed sections. There's elevation change, a long front straight, and corners that reward bravery. The track was renamed Pacific Raceways in 2002, but for many, the old name still sticks. It's been a proving ground for racers from all over the West Coast. Even big names like Mario Andretti and Dan Gurney have roared through here. It's also a popular place for grassroots racing and amateur track days. That means you don't need to be a pro to enjoy the same corners legends once attacked. So let's break the lap down and see what it's all about. We begin with the front straight, long, fast, and a perfect place to hit top speed. You're in 4th or 5th gear here, and your heart's already racing. But just as things settle, turn 1 appears, a fast right-hander that comes up quickly. It's slightly downhill, and late braking here can mean running wide into the grass. Get it right, though, and you'll carry huge momentum through. It's all about balancing throttle and steering input smoothly. Miss the apex, and you'll lose time heading into turn 2. This area of the track demands confidence and trust in your tires. Many drivers say turn 1 sets the tone for the entire lap. Nail it, and you feel like a hero. Mess it up, and you're playing catch-up. So, how would you approach a high-speed corner with zero runoff? After turn 1, you flow into a series of medium-speed bends that twist through the trees. This section is narrow and demands precision. You're dancing with the limits. Turns 3 through 6 form a rhythm, each one flowing into the next. There's not much time to breathe and little margin for error. One bad exit can ruin your line. Into the following turn. Here, trail braking and throttle control become your best friends. This is also where tire temperatures really start to climb. It's a part of the lap where experienced drivers can gain big time. Smooth inputs and quick hands are the keys to keeping momentum. Fans love watching this section because it rewards driver skill. It's where you separate the casual racers from the true track warriors. Now comes a short chute leading to the back straight. Time to breathe and unleash horsepower. This is the fastest part of the lap, with speeds often hitting triple digits. You're fully committed here, hoping your car stays planted over every bump. There's a slight bend, but it's taken flat out by most drivers. As you approach the braking zone for the next corner, your instincts kick in. This is where lap times are made or broken. It's go time. The engine screams, your tires grip tight, and your focus is laser sharp. Many drivers admit this is their favorite part of the track, not just because of the speed, but the thrill of chasing every last second. Ever wondered how pro drivers stay so calm at 130 miles per hour? It's training, guts, and knowing exactly where your car is at all times. Off the back straight, you dive into tight and technical corners. This section includes turns 9 and 10, known for late braking and tough exits. Braking too late here means you'll overshoot and run wide. But brake too early, and you leave time on the table. You've got to find the sweet spot lap after lap. Downshifting, rotating the car, and getting back on the gas. It's all rhythm. This part of the course separates good laps from great ones. It's not about bravery. It's about control and consistency. Have you ever hit the perfect apex and felt it in your chest? That's the feeling drivers chase every time through here. And it's what makes Pacific Raceways unforgettable. As the lap winds down, elevation begins to play a bigger role. There are small crests and dips that unsettle the car mid-corner. You've got to keep your balance, mentally and physically. Corners like turn 11 catch people off guard if they're not patient. You feel the suspension compress, then rebound under acceleration. This is where the driver must be in full sync with the machine. Steering too quickly or braking too hard can end the lap early. The final few corners demand everything you've got left. It's a test of endurance, skill, and nerve. Would you back off to stay safe or push for one more tenth? That's the question every racer asks themselves here. And just like that, you rocket out of the final corner and cross the line. You look down. Did you beat your best time? That last hot lap might have felt fast, but the stopwatch never lies. This track doesn't hand out good laps. You earn them. Every turn is a challenge. Every straight a chance to fly. From turn 1 to the final sector, you felt the full range of motorsport emotion. Excitement, frustration, adrenaline, and relief. It's all part of the lap. Seattle International Raceway is more than just a circuit. It's a story written one corner at a time. If you've driven it, you know exactly what I mean. And if you haven't, it's time to add it to your bucket list. This track has a rich legacy in American motorsport. It's hosted drag races, Trans Am battles, and epic club events. Generations of racers have cut their teeth right here. The roar of engines and smell of tires smoke still fill the air. It's a place where families gather, legends are born, and dreams begin. Even with newer tracks around, this one still holds magic. Why? Because it keeps the racing spirit alive. No matter your skill level, it welcomes everyone. From amateurs to pros, Pacific Raceways delivers real racing. Have you ever felt that deep connection between track and driver? That's what keeps people coming back. So, now that you've taken a hot lap of Seattle International Raceway, what do you think? Did you feel the thrill, the challenge, and the legacy behind every curve? Whether you're dreaming of your first track day or reliving old memories, this circuit has something for everyone. Let me know in the comments. Have you been here, or do you plan to go? Don't forget to subscribe for more motorsport deep dives and lap breakdowns. Like this video if you felt the speed, and share it with your fellow gearheads. Racing is more than just going fast. It's about stories like this one, and Seattle International Raceway is packed with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next lap. Until then, keep it fast, keep it smooth, and always respect the track. Now go hit replay and ride it one more time. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to drive a race car flat out through one of the Pacific Northwest legendary circuits? Today, we're diving into a high-speed tour of Seattle International Raceway, now known as Pacific Raceways. This isn't just a lap. It's a journey through history, adrenaline, and precision. You're about to experience a hot lap that blends speed, skill, and pure excitement. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a track day dreamer, or just curious, this one's for you. We'll explore the layout, the tricky corners, and what drivers face at full throttle. So buckle up, because this video takes you right into the driver's seat. Make sure to stick around, because we're breaking down each part of the track. We'll also share some facts, cool stories, and what makes this place so iconic. If you enjoy motorsport and behind-the-wheel insights,